Hi, this is Mr. Peterson, and this month we're going to be talking about the character quality of integrity. Right now I'm in Nashville, Tennessee, and I am at the monument of a man here by the name of John Thomas. And this monument was actually created to John Thomas because he was a man of integrity. Now, if you were to see the entire monument, you'd notice that there's all kinds of character qualities written on benches, just like the one that's in front of me. Charity, wisdom, devotion, promptness, and this one right here reminding us of the important character quality of integrity. When I think of integrity, I think of the moral excellence that's evident in our life as we consistently do what's right and choose good character. Boys and girls, this is a character quality that you want to develop in your life each month. Wouldn't it be an amazing thing that one day, when you pass away, a monument was actually erected to your character because you were a young man or a young woman of good integrity? Boys and girls, integrity is the moral excellence evidence in my life when I consistently do what's right. Have a great day, and let's develop this character quality together.